author of the Diabetes-Free Cookbook and Exercise Guide with Dr. John Poothullil. And today I'd like to tell you a little bit about how I use beans in my recipes, and there's some recipes in this book which help diabetics keep their blood sugar low using beans as one of the ingredients. Beans are actually an edible seed that was first cultivated about 10,000 years ago. So they've been part of human diet for thousands of years. One of the most important things about beans that I wanted to share today is that they contain something called resistant starch. Resistant starch is what takes a long time to digest in your gut. So it makes you feel full for a longer time, and it keeps your blood sugar low. And that's one of the reasons why beans are such a good part of a diabetic diet. Beans are really versatile. You can see they're all different sizes, colors, textures, and you can use them in a lot of different ways. So here I've got a selection. Cannellini beans are light in color, they're very mild in flavor. You can mash them and make a spread for sandwiches. It's very delicious, use them in salads or soups. I've got pinto beans, which are commonly used in Mexican food. You can make refried beans and add that to tortillas or different things, sandwiches. Kidney beans have a stronger flavor, so they're typically added to thicker soups and stews where there's a lot of spices that can cover up some of the other flavors of just the kidney bean. And we have black beans here. These are one of the most nutritious beans. Actually, black beans help replenish your adrenal energy because they're so dark and full of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They replenish the energy you were born with. And then I've got some garbanzo beans, also called chickpeas. And these are the primary ingredient in hummus. I use them a lot in soups and stews. In the recipes in the book, you can use them as a substitute for meat. So vegetarians can include beans in place of things like chicken. Let me give you an example. In this book, I used black beans to make a delicious chocolate cake. It's made with black beans and cacao powder. There's no gluten, there's no grains, it's low in sugar, and it's delicious.
So if you're concerned about beans causing gassiness, there's ways you can resolve that. If you soak dry beans for at least 5 hours and then bring them to a boil and drain the boiling water before you start cooking with them, that takes away most of the problem. Also, if you use canned beans that are already pre-cooked, that usually doesn't have the same kind of gassy problem. So it's important to start using beans more in your recipes and in your diet because it keeps your blood sugar low for longer. Thanks for watching.